to help me go ahead and continue to get these. These really help me. Hit that thanks button, or you know what I'm saying, whatever you want to do. Hit the like button, share the video, one of them things. So I want to get these all the time. Gracious is a great place. The Blue Boost. This right here is pretty crazy. Berries and coconut plant-based yogurt. Got some granola on top. Super sexy celery with sea moss, or 92 essential minerals. Those are really good. Got this new one that I haven't tried yet, the Tranquility, 68% fruit juices with the superfoods added. Pretty cool, man. Let's go ahead and see what they're talking about, bro. Hopefully you guys are having a happy new year. Happy new year to everybody watching. I appreciate you guys. In 2023, something else I'm adding to the channel is giving back to the people who support the channel. If you're watching this video, there's a little heart that says thanks. If you click that, you can donate to the channel and leave a super comment. Yeah, so if you give me some super thanks or super chats or any type of donation to the channel, I'm able to tally it up. And for the biggest donators at the end of each month, I got something special for you guys, you dig? Here at Nike, still got the LeBron setup over here. This is the latest one here. Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comment section below. Different materials on it. Pink colorway. $210 is the retail. Give me your thoughts on these. And rate them from a 1 to 10. Pretty clean. Translucent outsole. Not mad at these. We definitely seen it before. All the colorways here for the LeBron stuff. Nothing really different here. Still got the LeBron statue. This is actually called LeBron 20 South Beast. I didn't know that. Okay. Oreo colorway of the Air Jordan 37. A lot of people don't like these because old boy blew through them. So people don't feel safe wearing these. You can see LeBron, same ones here. Zoom Freak 4s. Not really familiar with them myself. 120 on the retail. Now here is a pretty cool hooping shoe. So they do have this new colorway for the Luka. Pretty loud colorway. Let me know if you guys are feeling this one or not. Got a different type of materials up here. Got like some suede with the mesh. I like what they're doing. 130 on the retail for these. Here they got these Laker Jordan 1 lows. Colorway is definitely not too bad on these. Got some people looking at them. 110 on the retail for those. New colorway, the Zion 2. This one I haven't seen yet either. Definitely different. Got little Zion logos all on the back. I think this colorway is dope. $96? 96, 97 is the retail tag on these. Never seen that before. Maybe on sale. They do have some retros here, as you guys can see. They got the Khaled 5s here in that orange colorway. Surprised to see these chilling out, man. $225 on the retail, but they still got them in deck. Still posting up. Jordan 9 Fire Reds. Got those mids. You got the UNC 13s, some 7s. Got the Lifestyle Jordan series right here. Started to disappear though, but they do have some pairs here. But you guys can see the selection is kind of mediocre. I mean, they got some cool things there. Nothing that we haven't really seen besides that new colorway of the Luka. This little pilot, which I've never seen. Colorway is kind of crazy. Definitely saw this design on the LeBron Witness 7 though. Let me know what you guys think about that. Of Dunks, I believe these are only grade school. Colorway's kind of wild. Let me know what you guys think about these. 105 on the retail. They do have these here. I don't know what size this is. It's probably not the size I need. I don't even see it on display. Got this colorway, the Jordan 1 low for the ladies. 110 on the retail. Got like a shininess to it. I don't know if it's just my lighting or not. Colorway is pretty dope though. Let me know if you got a feel in these. These are actually pretty crazy. Lighting in here is kind of funny, but they do have also the Jordan 1 High Starfishes for the ladies too. Midnight Navy Jordan 11 with the metallic silver, definitely fire shoe. As well as these Jordan 1s with the furry hair on them. Not many people like these, but they do have these on deck. And then we've talked about this one before. This colorway is pretty unique in my opinion. Let me know what you guys think. 100 on the retail, Copper Bass. Unique colorway for these, 150 on the retail with the bubbled, the gel. Nike swoosh pretty clean. They got them also in white. Retail is 150. Their colorway 120 on the retail for these Air Force One 40th anniversary, as you guys can see. What do you guys think about this new form of Air Force One? Kind of different, right? Zoom MX Sigma. These are pretty crazy. 160 on the retail. I like the colorway. It kind of stood out to me a little bit. And this colorway right here is super bright on these, man. Zoom Flies, the Zoom Alpha Fly. The retail is crazy, $275. So you guys can see the Jordan selection for the women's is pretty mediocre as well. A lot of people have been coming out here buying stuff, so you can't imagine that there will be a lot of stuff available. I don't look crazy, do I? Right? Zoom Pegasus. This right here, the Fly East edition. 130 on the retail. For you runners out there, let me know what you think about these. Nothing really different that we haven't seen when we came before. Maybe this might be new. I don't know if I saw this colorway. It reminds me of like some Cactus Jack stuff right here. What do you guys think about these trainers? Of course, these Air Max 97s is dope too, followed by those up tempo. Saw these before. Don't like to show you guys some of the same things we've seen before. But let me know what you guys think about this colorway. It's definitely pretty dope though. For the people on the East Coast who might like these, let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. 150 on the retail. 150 for these Air Force One, the University Blue with the white. You can never go wrong with that. And these Thermal Prestos, 150 on the retail or 135 on the retail. Very clean. Let me know if you guys feel these or not. I think they will go on sale soon, so I'm holding off. Then we got the black and yellow Nike Dunk Highs, 125 on the retail. So we left Nike. Pretty cool selection. Let me know in the comments what you guys feel like was the best find there. We're gonna go ahead and check out some more stores.
It's like, oh, he's the best player in the league. Not even close. He won a championship. Cool. He doesn't really understand how to be great.
When I say he hasn't developed, we're not talking about the physical part. You get that just when you get older. You know what I mean? We're talking about understanding rules, understanding time management, understanding the game within the game.
So recently, if you checked out some of his, stuff on his podcast, he says controversial stuff all the time. So, I just want to go ahead and give my boy a gift and show my token of appreciation for everything he's done.
Oh, man.
I got on the Giannis, I got on the Bucks hat, you know what I'm saying, with the shirt kind of the match 2020. It's my boy. I want to give you something to give something back. You feel me, my nigga? You know what I mean? So it's all good, bro. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's it.
What? I'm going to wear it on my next podcast.
Okay, for sure.
Too, right, KD and Giannis? I think you said on the previous show.
Oh, man. I'm Team Giannis. Man, what you talking about, man? I don't know all this Giannis slander. You crazy. We changed. I've been a Bucks fan from the beginning. Yeah.
Now I'm back here on Melrose. We want to check out Foot Locker and Shoe Palace to see what they got in stock, you dig? Do your cities have robots dropping off food for you? As you walk in, you got some Jordans on deck, some mids and some lows that you probably wouldn't really care about. This colorway is pretty dope though. Look, Georgetown 6s. This right here is a size 10 in hand. Curious to see, man. These have been around, been out for a while, but they're still around. You got 7s, a lot of things that we've seen before. University Blue 13s, 12 for the taxis. A lot of stuff that we've seen, man. And I'm telling you, the more I see this, the more this Jordan 1 mid is growing on me. Not a bad colorway, 125 on the retail. Checking out the basketball selection. They do got Kyrie's here, but they're still 99 bucks. LeBron's here are still a little bit higher than they have been at other places, but we do got something down here that's pretty new. Let's go ahead and check out this Nike Zoom Freak 4. This colorway is pretty dope. The one who believes, you know what he says, would it be the one who believed or whatever it says. Pretty dope colorway. The outsole is really dope on this shoe. Got the AirPods poking out. I like these Zoom Freak 4s, man. I do own a pair. I do have a review on the channel. Let me know what you guys think about this colorway and what do you guys feel like is the best Zoom Freak 4 colorway. Comment that down below. Unique blazers right here with the different patches on them. I think I do like this black and gray one a little bit more. Retail on these is $115. Does this rock anybody? There's a boat here in the comment section below. This colorway is not too bad though. I'm not mad at those. I definitely like the black one over the orange one. We do have the taxi mids as well. Got these Kobe's chilling out, bro. It's disrespect. It is what it is. I'm just glad I got my pair. For the ladies, this one's not too bad. They do got some dunks here, or the dunk highs, the pandas, and they got a bunch of Jordan mids and Jordan lows. Man, I thought these would do so much better, bro, but apparently nobody really likes the metallic gold around there. They do have these on sale at some stores. Number retails $200. Panda highs still posted up here chilling out too, along with these dunks. And then they got this Jordan 1 low, which I have seen before. Pretty unique colorway, not mad at this one. Let me know your thoughts, if you guys are feeling these or not. Kind of different. And this one is one of the more unique Jordan 1 lows to drop lately for the ladies, 120 on the retail. You guys can see the Jordan 1 selection here. They do got some of these on deck still, but only grade school sizing, as well as the Jordan 2 Chicago's and Fire Red 3s. With Foot Locker and Melrose does have some red tags on some shoes here, as you guys can see. It has all 4 colorways of the MBO2. Which one do you guys like most, man? We got the Phenom, the Supernova, the Slime, and the Rookie of the Year. All of those is dope. Which one you guys are picking up to hoop in? Pretty good selection here. I think those Zoom Fruit 4s and that new colorway is probably the best thing I found here. Name is Kobe Mural right here. Been here for a very long time. RIP to one of the greats, Kobe Bryant. So let's go ahead. Shoe Palace here. Melrose has a pretty good selection of retros, man. A lot more than what we've seen at the other two stores we've been to so far. Let me know what your standouts are. One mid, Lakers, definitely one of the better mids to drop lately. 125 on the retail. Those 7s, bro, definitely here available. Really good quality on these. Size 10 in hand. We got Ginger 14s posted up here. They got Brotherhoods, Jordan 9 Fire Reds, Oreos. Slide on down here. This location does have Jordan 2s on deck, Chicago's, man. If y'all need help grabbing stuff, hit me up. I mean, there are things available for a lot of people, but in some areas they're not. Gorge Greens, size 10 on the Gorge Greens, still here at the Shoe Palace. And they do got Cherry 11s, but let's see what size this is, because we're looking for one for the 5.5. That's close, but not close enough. They got these NMDs, navy blue, with the, that's pretty nice for 49 bucks. I don't know if you guys see that. They're not gray, they're like a soft blue. These are definitely different. I haven't seen these before. This one's not bad. They're gonna go check and see if we got these in 6.5 for my channel member, hopefully so. If you guys need help with retail pickups, go ahead and hit me up in the comment section or first link in the description. Still got Infinities here, full retail price though. Hats right here too, which are pretty dope. I like the color combination on here. They're fitteds though. I mean, fitteds are dope, but I don't like fitteds for myself personally. Got the Laker one right there. Got this Cardinals one right there. All three of these is actually pretty dope. The Yankee ones is pretty dope too. I like the color combination on there. All of these are fitted hats down here. Pretty dope selection. Oh, they got the corduroy Bulls one. I got the corduroy Lakers one, you dig? Man, these Jordan 1 highs are pretty dope. The color combination is dope. Maybe it's just the fur. Give me your overall opinions on why you think these guys are sitting around. Pretty crazy selection here at this Shoe Palace in Melrose. Definitely come here and check it out if you're in the area. If you got any questions, of course, DM me. Pretty good selection of New Balances too. A lot of the 2002 Rs and a few colorways as you guys can see. Let me know which one you guys like the most. This colorway in the 550, 110 on the retail. They got some weight to them. A lot of Laker hats right here, a lot of dope ones. These are all fitteds though. Normally like 47 down to 20 bucks, bro. These are nice, but I'm not paying $20 for them. $19, that might be a steal though. Definitely want to come here and check it out. They got some of these over here too. The Adidas ones are only $9. Like I said, they did have some Panda High, so I got a member trying to look for this. Let's go ahead and see if we can grab this. See if they have the size we need. This is a 9.5 in hand. We need 10 or 11. So let's see if we can find these. I gotta ask them to see if we can find this in a 10 or 10.5 is the size that we're looking for. So it turns out they actually had the 10.5, so we're gonna go ahead and grab this for my channel member. I'll let you guys see it. I mean, you guys already know what this is, but I gotta ship this off probably tomorrow. But that's what we're doing for our members, man, you dig? These are also on deck too. What do you guys think about this colorway? Yeah, she did, I don't know her name. Pretty clean. What do you guys think about this? Dunk in the comments below. So we just left there. We were able to scoop up a pair of the Jordan 1 High. Hold up. So you guys can see me and hear me. So we got out of there. We found a pair of the Panda Highs for a channel member, adding on to the collection of what we grabbing everybody. If you want to get down, you already know what to do. I want to make sure I say this right, but I don't want to waste too much time in the video. But I got the channel memberships going on. You can hit the link in the description for my Discord if you guys want to do retail pickups, or you can hit the join button underneath the channel. If you got underneath the video, if you hit the join button, you have a lot of options. We have 3 tiers, 2, 3, and 4, that if you enter into those tiers, you enter into a raffle every month for channel members on YouTube. Then you can go down to tier 4, 5. The top tiers for sneaker pickups, you guys can go that way or through my Discord. I got a lot of things going on. It's all available in my description box. You have any questions, go ahead and hit me up in DMs or in the comment section, and I'll get back to you, dig?